Hello guys, my name is Mansi. I'm going to answer a lot of questions that you people have regarding executive MBA because you know my journey. I am pursuing executive MBA from SIMS. So I have been getting a lot of questions. Instead of replying one by one, I thought I'll answer everything honestly in one video. If you are a working professional and confused whether MBA program is right for you, before you take admission, I really feel that you should know all of these things so you have an idea whether you really want to pursue it or you are just pursuing it without having a goal or an aim in your mind. So let's get on with the questions. First question is, what exactly is the executive MBA at SIMS? So, executive MBA program at SIMS is a part-time management program. It is for the people who already have jobs and experience and want to grow into big roles. For example, leadership positions or project thinking without quitting their job. Who should actually do an executive MBA? This program is ideal for if you are already working, you have few year of experience and you are feeling stuck or want growth in your career in a role, maybe in salary or maybe mindset. So if you are a fresher or looking only for campus placement, executive MBA is not for you. I would suggest you to please go ahead and pursue regular MBA. That is the best option for you. What is the eligibility for executive MBA at SIMS? You need a graduate degree from a recognized university and a work experience. 1 year of working experience you should have, 1 or 2. Is there any age limit? No strict age limit. SIMS focus more on professional maturity and clarity, not your age. So in my class, some are in their 50s, some are in their 40s, and like me, I'm in my 20s. So it's a mix. Can I do an executive MBA while working full time? Of course, that's why this program is for, right? So classes are usually on weekends or in modules. So you don't have to leave your job. My classes happens in two ways. One is online and the other one is offline. If you want to have a real offline kind of experience, you can go ahead and take the classes on Saturday, Sunday. Those are available and the timings are 9 to 6. Online classes on Saturday, Sunday as well. We also have weekdays classes. You can join any of these classes. If you have joined as offline batch, you can anytime open the video because the links are provided to every student. It is not sent to only online batch. Even if you are taking classes on weekdays, you can still join weekend classes, and in the weekdays are 7 to 10. Is executive MBA different from a regular MBA? Yes, very different, to be honest. What is the duration of executive MBA at SIMS? 2 years divided into 4 semesters. What specializations are offered? So there are multiple specializations which are offered and you need to choose the specialization in the 4th semester. Specialization usually include marketing, finance, HR, operations and strategy. Exact options can change, so always check the official SIMS website. How is the teaching style? It's a non-school like learning. There are case studies, group discussions, real life business problems, presentation, peer learning. Your classmates also become your learning source because they have different kind of experience, are from different industries. They teach you a lot. Is the course very difficult or stressful? It is manageable, but yes, it requires discipline, time management. You are working plus studying, so weekends can be busy, but it's also very rewarding if you are genuinely interested. So I will give you my example. I am working in Adobe and I have Monday to Friday working. I do not take weekend classes because my shifts are rotational. I take weekends classes online because I am in my hometown and not in Pune. If you are in Pune or any area you can make to the offline class, I would highly recommend go ahead, take the offline class. The experience is quite different from the online classes. I can tell you why. In the online classes, you kind of have the option that आज की क्लास छोड़ देते हैं, ये वाला लेक्चर छोड़ देते हैं. You do have that in offline class as well, but in online class the comfort is different and you are not that attentive in class. In the beginning of the semester, we were on cameras while we were taking the online classes, but later on some faculties allow you to ask questions and then open your cameras while you are asking questions, which is quite nice, because you can have the comfort of not being on the camera all the time, and still if you have questions you can ask, and you can have a kind of one-on-one discussion while you are on camera. As I said, in the beginning of this semester, people were on their cameras and the classes were quite interactive, but later on, for me, it became a little, I'm not feeling it. It totally depends on you, how much you wanna, how badly you wanna pursue this MBA, what is your goal. It comes back to that point. What is the fee structure? So fees are generally lower than a regular MBA and are paid in semester wise. Exact fees changes every year, so please refer to the official SIMS website for the updated numbers. How much I am paying? So for admission I paid 30,000, in which 10,000 is returnable. First semester and the second semester, these are for 135,000 and 135,000, and then third and fourth semester are costing lakh 45,000 and 1,45,000. Regarding books, do they provide books or you need to buy your own? They do provide you books. You can collect them from the college if you are nearby Pune, you live in Pune or something like that. But if you are like me, I live in UP and it's not quite feasible for me to go and collect the books. They ask you whether you want it to be delivered. Let me tell you, you do not get charged for the books, but you have to pay the delivery charges. Once the semester is finished, you need to return those books back. Something very personal, I did not read a single book in my first semester. Are there any scholarships? Scholarships are limited but sometimes available. Again, official website is the best source. Does SIMS provide placement for executive MBA? Executive MBA students usually get career support, networking and guidance, but they do not get placements, and the placements are not guaranteed like regular MBA, because most students are already working. If you are looking to change the job, the networking can help you, the alumni can help you, the faculty can help you, but they do not give you placement. Is executive MBA worth it? Quite controversial question. The answer is yes, if your goal is career growth, leadership, clarity, and networking. No, if you are expecting instant placement or overnight salary jump, then this is not for you. Can executive MBA help with salary growth? It can help indirectly. For example, you get promotion or you change your role. The better opportunity comes when you apply the learning, not just because of the degree. Let me tell you how the faculty treat you. They do not do what we have been taught from the schools till the graduation. They don't behave like आप ये याद कर लो, ये हो जाएगा. This do not work like that. Even exams don't need to write what you have learned. Learned as in तुम्हें ऐसे याद नहीं करना है. You need to apply the learning in the question what they have asked and then respond accordingly, and you get numbers on that base. Can I switch industry after executive MBA? It is possible but not guaranteed. Industry switch depends on your background, skills, and how well you network. What kind of students will I study with? You will meet professionals from corporates, from defense background, or maybe an entrepreneur, consultants, very diverse. The diversity makes discussions extremely practical and you get to know the perspective of different people, which is quite eye-opening experience. There are chances that you do not see things the way they see it. So when you have those discussions in the classroom, you get to experience those. Can entrepreneur or freelancer can apply? Yes, as long as you show proof of work and explain your journey clearly. What if I have a career gap? Career gaps are okay if you can justify it honestly during the interview. Is executive MBA valid or recognized? Yes. SIMS is a part of Symbiosis International University, which is a UGC recognized. What is the one common mistake people make? joining just for degree, the tag, without clarity on why they are doing it. From my personal experience, I joined the program for the degree, so do not do that. Have a clear picture in your mind why you are joining the program. Would you personally recommend Executive MBA at SIMS? You are a working, ambitious, and ready to put in efforts without quitting your job. Yes, it is worth considering, but only if you are clear about your goals. Unlike me, I wanted the degree. People ask how you can get the admission. You register yourself in the SIMS website. The form is chargeable and non-refundable. I think it was around 1500 or 1800. So there is one question which is quite popular, and people ask how much I got in one exam. I have not cleared any exams which you need to do for our regular MBA from SIMS. So there is this one interview happened, and that's it. Form fill karo, interview do, and if you get cleared, you just pay the amount. I filled the form on 25th June 2025. I think July was the one when classes started. उसके बाद भी people were getting admissions. So it is not like अगर आप अभी fill कर दोगे या जल्दी fill कर दोगे तो seats fill नहीं होंगी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. You can take your time and think it through, then make a decision. My first semester, after a month, we started getting the assignments. So you need to complete those assignments. In my first semester, there were 10 subjects, and out of 10, there were 5 subjects which were internal, जिसके लिए आपके assignments होंगे, and 5 were external. So in externals also, it's not like आपका 800 में से out of 100 it will going to be external. It depends on the subject as well. तो 60 मार्क्स का या फिर 40 मार्क्स का आपका एक्सटर्नल एग्ज़ाम होगा, और जो आपको ऑफलाइन जाके देना पड़ेगा सिम्स में. कोई ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम नहीं होता है, आपको सिम्स में जाना होगा और एग्ज़ाम्स देने होंगे. यू विल गोइंग टू रिसीव अ लॉट ऑफ असाइनमेंट्स बिकॉज 10 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, उसमें से 5 जो सब्जेक्ट्स एक्सटर्नल भी हैं उनके भी सबके असाइनमेंट्स होंगे, एंड देन जो 5 आपके इंटरनल हैं उनके 2 असाइनमेंट्स होते हैं. For exams, they will going to also tell you the date so that you can book your tickets or your hotels and arrange all of these things for you. तो ये सब आपको 1 महीने पहले ही बता देंगे कि इतना टाइम एग्ज़ाम्स का है, मतलब ये डेट्स हैं एग्ज़ाम्स की, एंड सो दैट यू कैन डू योर थिंग. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के बाद दी रिजल्ट्स केम आउट आफ्टर 1.5 मंथ्स. नॉट लाइक कि आपने इस मंथ एग्ज़ाम दिया एंड उसके 15-20 दिन बाद ही आपके रिजल्ट्स आ जाते हैं. दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट वर्क्स. फॉर सेमेस्टर्स हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स जिसमें आपके एक्सटर्नल एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे और इंटरनल एग्ज़ाम्स होंगे. सब्जेक्ट्स होंगे 10, बट उसमें से 10 और 11 डिपेंड्स ऑन द सेमेस्टर. चेंज होते रहते हैं सब्जेक्ट्स भी. तो द क्लासेस which are going to happen online, those happens on Teams. You also get recordings of all the session which held online, जिसकी validity 3 months तक रहती है. Downloaded it and keep it for later. They also provide e-library where you can download the PDFs of the books. In my case, they have provided Coursera ID password for us, so we can go ahead and get any course done from there. Make sure that you have the finances for pursuing executive MBA, because semester wise you need to pay the fee. For example, 14 November was the deadline. We need to pay the second semester fees. So if you have not paid that amount, you will be charged 100 rupees per day. So be thankful of that too. If you want to see how was my experience visiting Pune, going Symbiosis for the first time, then you can go ahead check out my vlogs. Someone who lives outside, not in Maharashtra, you'll have an idea what kind of experience I had there. Because of this program, I get to meet some amazing people. One is Krishna, the girl I stayed in Pune. She is there. And there are other people as well, some nice people. You will find your people too. If you do, go ahead and if you're thinking, oh, I'll be alone, no, you'll find your people. Don't worry. You can always reach out to me for any questions. I will try to answer those. If I do not have that answer, I will try to get the answer from the faculty, or I'll reach out to someone so that you can have that answer. that's it for this video. I hope if this video has been useful for even for a one person, my work is done. काट पुर्जे भी बताने वाला होता कोई. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.